Good morning, everybody. So let us come to the next second chapter from the Footprints Without Feet. It means from the supplementary reader, and the chapter's name is The Thief's Story. It's a very interesting chapter written about the children, a kind of a story written by Indian writer Ruskin Bond. And if you look at the story of this chapter, of this lesson, it teaches us, gives us different morals or the themes. Only the two characters are given. First one is first character name, only two characters. First one, Hari Singh, who is a 15-year-old boy, 15-year-old, and a fair-handed thief. Here we have to understand what is meant by fair-handed. Almost we could say that who is so clean and swift in his work. It means he was such an experienced thief. Almost we could say that. Who is this Hari Singh? He is a thief and who robbed the people. Who used to rob the people, and his age is merely in his 15. And but though he was a thief, but he was keen, interested in learning the things. It means how to read and write. He wanted to learn how to read and write. And experienced robber, and very experienced robber. So that's why it is given that fair-handed thief. And he knew very well what would be the reactions of the people when they would come to know that they have been robbed. He knows, for example, how the reaction of a rich person, greedy man, poor man. So everything is given in the chapter. This is first character, Hari Singh. Second coming, Anil. This is also one of the major character, Anil. Who is he? 25-year-old man or the person, tall, lean, and he earns his living by writing to a publisher. He used to write books or the novels for the publisher, and he used to earn that his living. A very kind, simple and easygoing person. Who? Anil. And let us come to the story. When the story starts, at that time, Hari Singh, it means a thief, that boy, 15-year-old boy, he was in the search of another target. Another target means he wanted to do another robbery, so that's why he was in a search of another person. And by chance, he met Anil. Who met Anil? This thief, it means Hari Singh, this boy, he met Anil. Anil, who was a writer, 25-year-old. And where did he meet Anil? When Anil was watching a wrestling match. Wrestlers, you know that, who used to fight. And he was watching a wrestling match. And looking at Anil, Hari Singh understood that he is a very easy target for him. And by using some flattering words, that definitely he could catch his attention, he could gain his trust. Who thought? Hari Singh thought. When he met Anil for the first time, that time Anil was watching a wrestling match. And looking at him, his expression, that Hari Singh understood that he is a very easygoing target, simple target for him. So that time Hari Singh asked him a question because he wanted to make friendships, be friend with him. So that's why Hari Singh, this boy, asked a question to Anil. What did he say? Using some flattery words there, that he asked. What did he ask? You look a bit of a wrestler yourself. Anil was watching wrestling match, and Hari Singh, because he wanted to impress him, so that's why Hari Singh asked Anil, that he said Anil, that you too, that means you are looking a bit of a wrestler yourself. Who said? Hari Singh. It means a kind of flattery. He wanted to gain his attention, and Anil replied that so do you. It means you too. and definitely doesn't match with Hari Singh, because he is a small boy, thin, etc. So wrestler, etc. It doesn't match. Sometimes for some time he felt Hari Singh that he was off the road, of the moment, right? But once again the discussion started about the wrestling between these two, Hari Singh and Anil. That they discussed about the oils. For example, it is given here that Anil talked about while oils that here that well-oiled wrestler, and Anil asked his name also, that what is the name of Anil asked Hari Singh, what is your name? The boy said, my name is Hari Singh. He lied at the time. That was not his real name actually. It means definitely when he said the name, that he lied there. It means he lied. Because every time that every month that he used to take a different name, new name. Who? This Hari Singh, who was a 15-year-old boy. Why? Because he wanted to escape from the police. It means to keep himself ahead from the police and the former employers, to whom that he had already deceived. So that's why, to escape from them, that he used to take a new name each month here. So he said that my name is Hari Singh. So Anil said. So later on there was a discussion about the wrestlers, etc., that they were vecting each other. So after the match, when when Anil was going to his home at the time, Hari Singh followed him. So that time Hari Singh asked, it means why do you follow? Why are you following? That time Anil said that it means he gave an appealing smile. Appealing means attracting smile to Anil, who gave Hari Singh. And he said that, and he asked, I want to work for you. Who said? Hari Singh said. Hari Singh said to Anil, this boy said to Anil the writer, that I want to work for you. But Anil said, I can't pay for you, can't give the money. Anil, it means Hari Singh thought for a while, for a moment. Once again he asked, can you feed? Who asked? Hari Singh. Anil said, yes, I can. Anil asked, can you cook? He said, yes, I can cook. Once again he lied. It means he didn't know that how cooking, etc. But still he lied. First name, it means fake name, and another cooking, that he didn't know that how to cook, but still said yes. Then Anil said that yes, then I can feed you. So later on Anil that he took, for example, first point we have discussed, Anil brings her into his room first. After that his room was located, for example, place name is given there, over the Janna sweet shop. Over the Janna sweet shop, his room was there, Anil's room. And he asked, Anil took Hari Singh to his room, to his home, and he asked him that it means you can, on the balcony, that you can sleep there, you can rest on the balcony. So on the same night, when Hari Singh, that he cooked, when that boy cooked, and that time, Hari Singh, he himself understood. When did he understood that definitely the food must have been terrible or the horrible? How did he understand Hari Singh? Because Anil, the writer, it means he gave the food to a stray dog. So that's why Hari Singh understood that the food must have been terrible. But Anil, that so later on he told him that he said to him, you go up now. But once again Hari Singh, that he did not want to leave. He gave an appealing smile. Then Anil patted on his head and he said that don't worry, that I will teach you. Because already we know that Anil, that he was definitely a kind fellow. He was a kind fellow. So that's why, looking at his age, Hari Singh age, that he said, no matter, don't worry, that I will teach you how to cook, and also moreover that I will teach you to write your name and how to write whole sentences. And within few days Anil taught him to write his name. It means Hari Singh learned to write his name. Writing, it means reading, writing, educated. So education comes. So after that this kind of the procedure was going on. Later on, Especially this is what the task of the Hari Singh, that it means he learned read and write, Hari Singh. And Anil asked him, Anil said to him that don't worry, in the future that I will teach you, or I will teach you how to write whole sentences, right? But later on the procedure, this is what the daily procedure started. What kind of the daily procedure? Every morning making the tea. Hari Singh used to make a tea for Anil every morning, and then at the time of the day going to buy supplies, for example, for the shopping or the groceries or for the vegetables, etc. That he used to go Hari Singh. For what? To buy the supplies, the daytime. And each and every time that he used to earn a rupees a day. A rupee a day that he used to earn. And he thought that Anil didn't understand anything. Hari Singh, he thought. So that's why he used to earn a rupee a day, every time. So this is what the procedure was going on. So next day, next what happened there? There, Anil's routine is given. Anil, that he was a writer. And almost his profession was not that much profitable. His writing profession. Sometimes, for example, he used to borrow the money. 1 week he borrowed the money. Next, lend the money. And then waiting for the check. This is what his it means survival, that his almost his life, earning life. Who's Anil Singh? It means he was not that much wealthy. 1 week borrow the money, next lend, and after that waiting for the check. And whenever the check comes, that time he used to spend the money in the parties or with his friends, that he used to celebrate in this way. After getting the check, that he used to celebrate with his friends. So this is what the procedure was going on. So but one evening what happened? Anil, this Hari Singh noticed, this boy noticed that Anil, that he came to home with a bundle of notes. Almost 50 rupees notes, and total sum of something 600 rupees. Bundle of notes he noticed. And he kept that he tucked under his mattress. Who? Anil. He put the bundle of notes under his mattress. Hari Singh noticed. So that time Hari Singh had been working for Anil for almost a month now. He had been working for Anil for a month, and he had almost gained his trust. Who? Hari Singh had gained Anil's trust. For a month he had been working. So that's why trust was there. Trust that he gained there. So then, and he had never taken any opportunity yet. He had not done anything, Hari Singh, with Anil, that robbery or something, etc. Not done anything. But this time when he noticed a bundle of notes that he brought here, so that time, and that time then he something thought that really it is one of the best opportunity to do something. Because he knew that, for example, right now that Anil, that he got the money, definitely another day that he would spend on his friends in the parties or the difference here, and he would give me 2-3 rupees something. So that's why he thought that it means this is the time to do something, and I have gained the trust now, right? So, and he also thoughts about Anil, that how Anil, that he is a very kind fellow. And one thought came in his mind at that time, and it is very, why it is difficult to rob him? Because he was a very kind fellow, he was a very simple fellow. So that's why, and he put the trust on him, Anil, to Hari Singh. So that's why, and he taught him reading, writing, how to write the name. Anil taught Hari Singh. So that's why it is very difficult to rob such a fellow. It is easy to rob a greedy man. Why? For example, if we rob a greedy man, that he can afford to be robbed, right? A greedy man can be afford to be robbed. But for example, if we rob a careless person, definitely it would happen that he might be it means definitely he would not notice that I have been robbed because of his careless nature. He would not notice that I have been robbed. So that pleasure, so definitely it will be out of work. Which pleasure? Because that the careless person, no need, no bother about this robbery or something. So that's why definitely it would take away the charm or the pleasure of that robbery. So that's why then he thought over this one. But at last what happened there? That in the same night, when he was sleeping in the balcony, that was the time almost 10 something there, 9 or 10 o'clock night time. He was thinking about the robbery. Hari Singh, Anil, Anil was asleep. He was in a sleep. And after getting the moonlight or that bright beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony, that Hari Singh, that he got up and he stood on he sat on the floor thinking, considering what to do. And later on it means he confirmed, so that he resoluted that he would do something, he would take away the money, he would rob him. And he went towards, he crept up to the bed, Anil's bed, and he tucked his hand under the mattress, and he took out the money, that bundle of the notes. When Anil was in a sleep, that time he took out the money and he started running then. He went on the road and he began to run. Who? Hari Singh. It means he robbed Anil and he began to run towards the railway station, because he had to catch 10:30 Lucknow Express that he has to catch. Lucknow Express name is given, so that's why we could say that the story is setting of the story is in UP, Uttar Pradesh, right? It means in this way Hari Singh robbed Anil, right? So this is the one part of this story is given. The way that he robbed Anil, the man who taught him to write his name, the man who gave him shelter, shows this kind of the trust, that person that he robbed, right? So the remaining part of the portion that we will, this story we will continue in the next video. Thank you.